The Song of Maria Clara. Sweet the hours in the native country, where friendly shines the sun above. Life is the breeze that sweeps the meadows. Tranquil is death, most tender love. Warm kisses on the lips are playing, as we awake to the mother's face. The arms are seeking to embrace her. The eyes are smiling as they gaze. How sweet to die for the native country, where friendly shines the sun above. Death is the breeze for him who has no country, no mother, and no love. The Song of Maria Clara was sung by Maria Clara itself, symbolizing her deep love for her country and the innocence of her spirit. The song reflects themes of longing, patriotism, and nostalgia for the beauty and purity of our country, particularly during a time of colonial oppression. Song of Maria Clara invites us to appreciate the beauty and resilience of the Filipino spirit, urging us to remain hopeful in the pursuit of justice, freedom, and national pride.